How to stop Facebook announcing your birthday? Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to stop Facebook announcing your birthday. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, launch Facebook. Navigate to three-line menu icon at top right. Select gear icon at top right to access settings. Scroll down, choose Privacy Checkup and then see or tap Who Can See. Select the Continue button at bottom. Now locate birthday and select your birthday. Here you simply need to select only me and tap on save button. Similarly, select your birth year as well and choose the only me button and tap on save. With that, now Facebook will no longer announce your birthday and the other person won't be able to know your birthday as well. So that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe.